Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video for all express products reviews. Please see the top 7 retractable baby gates in your budget. All items are free shipping for a limited time only. See this video at the end. Baby Crib Rails Security Fencing Bed. Price, $25.14. Material, 210D Oxford cloth plus steel frame. Color, blue, beige. Height adjustment, 5 layer. Size, 150 by 80 cm / 180 by 80 cm / 200 by 80 cm. Stairway Guardrail Child Safety Gate Vertical Baby Gate. Price, $111.18. Brand name, Babyfond. Age range, 0-6 years. Type, Baby Safe Doorways. Pattern type, solid. Material, metal. Features, punch-free. Home 82 to 90 cm with Baby Safety Gate. Price, $76.16. Brand name, Babyfond. Age range, 1 to 6 years old. Type, Baby Safe Doorways. Pattern type, solid. Material, iron. Color, white.
Folding Baby Safety Playpen Fence Kids. Price, $49.13. Brand name, beidellite. Age range, type, playpen. Material, metal. Children's Bed Barrier Fence Foldable Guardrail Safety Security. Price, $52.27. Material, mesh fabric plus steel frame. Color, green. Pattern, piano. Height adjustment, 7 levels. Home Children's Safety Gate Baby Safety Barrier Protection Door. Price, $72.52. Brand name, Babyfond. Age range, 1 to 6 years old. Type, Baby Safe Doorways. Feature 2, Baby Safety Barrier. Children's Bed Barrier Fence Foldable Guardrail Safety Security. Price, $52.27. Material, mesh fabric plus steel frame. Color, green. Pattern, piano. Height adjustment, 7 levels.
If you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to see the next video. I have come again in new awesome baby products. Please like, comment and share my video if you like. Thank you for watching my video.